Chinese takeout for lunch. Good morning, February 10th, I think. Yes. February 10th, it is a Sunday. 5 in the morning. I just woke up. I slept well last night. Sabi ni Mr. nagsasalita daw ako. They said, mawawalan ng kuryente between 5:30 in the morning until around 6. And if that happens, I might as well go out for a run. But I'm not yet sure kasi baka madilim pa. But we'll see. For now, magluluto muna tayo ng sausage. By the way, guys, if you didn't watch or if you haven't watched my last video, yung favorite nating bago na breakfast at longganisa. CDO, fantastic longganisa. Lutuin natin to. Kasi nagugutom na ako. No, nakakain ng maayos ko gabi. Burger lang talaga yung kinain namin last night. Breakfast, coffee, sausage, egg, and Mobile Legends. Slept for a good 13 hours. I just woke up and it's now 1 a.m. of February 11, 2019. Good morning! It's February 12, 2019. And for today's breakfast, parang birthday lang tayo. May spaghetti, may chicken. Pero lahat yan actually leftover lang from what we have on the fridge. Yung chicken, ulam kahapon. Hindi ko na lang nakain kasi hindi na ako nakakain. Si Papa nagre-ready na siya. Babalik na siya sa hospital. Baby Love had his surgery yesterday. And everything is going well. Hopefully today, he'll be discharged. He'll be home later this afternoon. But we will know the results later on. Hindi lang ako sure kung makakasama ko kay Papa ngayon kasi medyo marami pa akong gawa sa work. But anyway, kakain muna tayo. At alam po medyo magmamadali na si Papa. So I'll see you guys later. February 16th, 4 in the afternoon. And today's challenge is kind of different. So for today, we are going to an event. It is Hamukan sa Bantige, Hammock Skim Acoustic. It's today. It's at Cala de Oro Beach in Bantige, Pagbilao, Quezon. And I'm going with my sister. I love it. I'm so excited. Whatever I said yesterday, is just erase that. Like, delete it. Or maybe I'm not gonna delete it. Maybe I'm gonna include it on the post on this vlog. But it didn't happen. February 17th, it is 10 in the morning. I woke up around, I'd say 7 today. I already had my coffee. Currently editing vlogs. And hindi ako nakapunta sa hamukan.
Baka nakalimutan niyo kumain dahil sa nangyari kanina. Kain na tayo.
Baby Love doesn't want to show his stitches yet. But there's a picture. Here's a picture. Ay, hindi kita yet. Ayun, there. Bush, bush. Bush, bush.
Protection.
Yan. Yung nandun sa part na yun. Tapos ganito siya.
12 stitches daw.
12
Pero
ba? Binila ko. Kala ko 13. Nililinis namin yung sugat niya. Kailangan mo na anak magpagupit pala. Okay, wait. Before we end and post this vlog, I just wanna first explain yung surgery ni Baby Love. It's because he had a lump on his throat. Na-opera na siya dati, outpatient surgery, and bumalik. So, for the second surgery, inpatient na siya. Overnight lang naman. Everything is good. He's there. Say hello, son. Say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay. So, that's for the surgery. Bakit hindi ako naka-attend ng hamuk-hamukan? A lot of things happened. First, around noon, supposedly alis kami 4. Noon, nalaman ko na yung palang ride namin missing in action. So, I tried and find other peeps that I can come with sa event kahit commute. I found my sister, si Kate. She's going there then commute 6 p.m. So, sabi ko, sige, live muna tayo sa Mobile Legends. Come 6 p.m., nag-message naman si Jaja. She's coming with us, but she's gonna be a little late. So, sabi ko kay Kate, sige, go ka na, sunod ako kasama si Jaja. Sabi ni Jaja around 7, lakad na daw kami ng 9, meron daw siyang contact na trike, meron daw siyang service na trike or something, so safe to go there even if madilim na. Come 9 o'clock, or 8:30 rather, hindi niya makontak yung service niya, so we're going to have to find another way to get there, and it's really dark. Yung daan papunta doon, mahirap talaga ng walang kakilala na masasakyan. So that's why we didn't, I didn't go na. I'm not so sure if si Jaja nakapunta pa siya. And I also decided to just sleep it off kasi pagod na rin naman from Friday shift. Come Saturday, wala nang tulugan yung dire-diretso house chores. Every day may pasok si Papa bagong overall si baby. So all of these things combined, I've decided na lang hindi na lang pumunta sa hamukha-mukha na. I am very sure na magkakaroon pa ng bagong event. Pwede naman tayong pumunta. I'm really sorry sa mga nag-abang na pupunta ako doon. Mga tropa. So yeah, I guess that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.